soft-spoken guardian, extraordinary diplomat, and a gifted godfather in your personality. Our Bihar is proud of having you in the governorial office to shape the destiny of higher education in the state, which is challenging today in itself. His Excellency conviction and commitment remind me the great Hindi poet laureate Dinkar. Dear friends, I feel tempted to quote, जब विघ्न सामने आते हैं, हमारे महामहिम जी के चरित्र में कुछ उजागर होने वाले कुछ पंक्तियां, जब विघ्न सामने आते हैं सोते से हमें जगाते हैं, मन को मरोड़ते हैं पल पल. In the state that a new chapter has been added in higher education by launching Chancellor Lecture Series, in which 2 precious lectures have already been delivered in the Department of Botany and Philosophy by the Professor of BHU and Professor of Kannada. In order to tone up the academic and administrative atmosphere, Grival's distribution cell and 4 sets of flying squads have also been constituted. Dear friends, about 2 dozen vocational and professional courses have acquired eminent status of the Magadha University education system, and the majority of the students are inclined to join the different services in the different corners of the world. Our Directorate of Distance Education has emerged a wonderful branch of the vocational courses who has given a lot of employment to our children. Not only this, our university website has also launched a special system, that is the Grival's box in our website, and those students who are interested to reach the Vice Chancellor directory, they put the certain problems to our website, and tomorrow each and every question given by the guardians as well as students will be answered by your Vice Chancellor through website system. And this is the first university in Bihar and Jharkhand also. We are conscious for all-round development of the students. Only securing good marks is not learning, sir. Even studying for one's whole life does not necessarily make one's long life. A lifelong learner is who transforms theoretical information into practical knowledge. Our main motto, our main objective of the Magadha University is to facilitate our students to become the leader of the global world. We must identify ways of restoring the role, honor and dignity that education has commanded historically as a force in shaping our society. The target area of our university, sir, is to develop the academic, entrepreneurship and other capabilities to our optimum potential. It is also to be explored the recognized research and scholarship. It is sure to enhance the knowledge, a skill, positive attitude, creativity, innovation and quality that are the prime movers of our industry. Today, we are going to confer DLIT, DSc, PhD, gold medals to my lovely students. These degrees are not only passports or visas for job market, dear friends, but it is the token responsibility with a feeling of nationalism and universal brotherhood. Dear students, whenever you need, I will always be with you as your father, guardian and best well-wisher. Dear students, education is a social process. The form and content of the education of any age and society are the byproducts of the prevailing time. The transformation in the education system in India from the ancient Gurukul system today is virtually learning system is the reflection of the changing scenario. Dear friends, education is a socialization of acquiring necessary values for living which should be well recognized and emphasized. The present education system is largely oblivious of its role as a value building system. Our university is expected to contribute, to promote and to arouse the values of civilized behavior in nation building and social cohesion through democratic values and cultural norms. It is well known fact that the Hindi equivalent for the word convocation, Dikshant Samaroh, here the tenure of academic life ends, I do agree, but it is the conclusion of the prescribed syllabus based knowledge. However, this auspicious ceremony anticipates practical knowledge to be acquired in the Gurukul. In the Gurukul, the disciples used to offer Guru Dakshina after completing their studies. At this great auspicious occasion of the Dikshant Samaroh, I have certain hope and expectation from you, my students. And in the presence of great Acharya of this Gurukul, Magad Gurukul, His Excellency, I appeal to my students. I appeal to my students to make the slogan true. कर लो दुनिया को मुट्ठी में. हमारे students, my own student, we are going to contribute different PhD and master degree. I want to give a slogan where you give, यह कहावत याद रहे कि कर लो दुनिया को मुट्ठी में. Only then our